Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isna Fatimatuz Z, where today we're gonna discuss how to use a digital multimeter. Now, before you can use a digital multimeter, you need to make sure you understand what you're trying to measure. There are three common measurements: volts, amps, and ohms. Well, let's start with volts. What are volts? Volts is the measurements of voltage, and voltage is the derived unit of electric potential. Electric potential difference and electromotive force. There are two different voltage current: alternate current and direct current. Let's start with alternate current. I'm sure you have a few questions to ask, like where would you find alternate current here and how you measure? Well, a good place to find that alternate current is within the wires that run through your house or building. Now, to test or measure that alternate current, grab a digital multimeter and then locate an electric socket. For measure alternate current, all I have to do is turn the dial to V like this and press select to change it from DC to AC like this. Here in the Indonesia, the standard electric socket measures 220 to 230 volts. So the first, place a negative flag into the hole and the positive flag into the other hole. Okay, like this. So here you can see the voltage like this at the display. For measure direct current, you can press select again to change it from AC to DC. So you can put the negative flag onto the negative terminal and the positive flag onto the positive terminal. Okay, let's move on amps. Amps is the measurements of ampere, which is the quantity of electricity carried in 1 second by a current. To measure amps, you can turn the dial to milliamp. Like this. Now you can measure the amps. Last but not least, it's time to learn about ohms. Ohms is the measurements of resistance, and resistance is the difficulty to pass an electric current through a conductor. We can measure the resistance with a multimeter by turning the dial to ohms, like this. And you can select the range about kilo ohms, like this. So here, for this example, I will be using a resistor which is rated at around 2200 ohms. To test this resistor, the first, let's do positive LED, one LED into this one, and another LED to this one. Here you can see we are getting roughly the 2200 ohms, which means this resistor is good. Another test we can do is to test the continuity. Continuity is the electromagnetic force between electrical conductor carrying a constant electric current. In short terms, it's the act of testing resistance between 2 points. Now, Before you check your continuity, make sure whenever your testing is otherwise unplugged or disconnected from its power source. To demonstrate this test, I will be using this wire, like this. So the first, turn the dial of the multimeter to sound wave symbolic. Okay, like this. And then press select to change to sound wave symbol. Okay, now take each LED and place one on each end of the wire, like this. So that beeping sound means that we have continuity now. See what happened when I cut the wire. Okay, there is no longer any continuity anymore. This test can help tell us if we have a short or break in the wire. Well, there you have it. Now you know how to use a digital multimeter to test for volts, amps, and ohms. That's all my video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.